Let us have dividing whole number by a fraction and vice versa. Let us have an example. 8 divided by 2/3. So let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Then after that, ang gagawin po natin dito, para ma-divide natin ang whole number by a fraction or vice versa, rename the whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Okay? Then multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Alright? So we're going to rename now 8. Ilalagay natin siya dyan with a denominator of 1. Then change natin ang division sign into a multiplication sign. Then after that, flip natin yung 2/3. Siya ay magiging 3/2. So, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. So, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Then, we are going to multiply now 8 times 3. It gives the product of 24. Then, we are going to multiply also 1 times 2, and it gives the product of 2. So, the answer is 24/2. So, let us have an equal sign. Then, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Therefore, the final answer is 12. Next example, we have 2/3 divided by 8. Then, ano po ang gagawin natin dito? I-rename natin ang 8 with a denominator of 1. Okay? So, 8 now is renamed as 8/1. Nagiging fraction na siya. Ang susunod na gagawin natin ay, let us have an equal sign first. Then, ililipat natin si 2/3 dito sa kabila. Then after that, we are going to change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Okay? Then flip natin yung 8/1 at magiging 1/8. At ilagay natin dito sa kabila rin. Ang ibig sabihin yan, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. So, let us have an equal sign first, a fraction sign. Then, multiply 2 times 1, it gives the product of 2. Then, multiply also 3 times 8, it gives the product of 24. Is 2/24 simplified? Hindi pa po. So, 2 and 24 has a GCF of 2. Therefore, we're going to use now 2/2 to divide 2/24. So, let us have an equal sign, a fraction sign. Then, divide 2 divided by 2, it gives the quotient of 1. And 24 divided by 2, it gives the quotient of 12. So, look at now the answer. 1/12 is in the lowest term. Kasi ang 1 at saka 12, ang kanila na lang GCF ay 1. Therefore, the final answer is 1/12. Alright? In dividing whole number by a fraction and vice versa, i-rename natin ang whole number with a denominator of 1. So, then after that, iti-change lang naman natin yung division sign sa multiplication sign. Then, flip natin ang divisor. Then after that, punta na tayo sa pag-multiply. I-multiply na yung numerators, then multiply also the denominators. Yun lang po. Then, kapag na-multiply na, titingnan yung sagot kung yan ba ay nasa lowest term na. So, yun lang po. Napakadali lang on how to divide whole number by a fraction and vice versa. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Abangan po ang dividing mixed number by a fraction.